And these are the Apple Watch bands. Now you may be wondering which of these Apple Watch bands are authentic and which of these Apple Watch bands are not authentic, meaning what's the Apple brand, what's not the Apple brand. Here's a pretty easy way to tell. Out of these two, one is Apple brand, one is not, if you want to take a guess. Now I'll show you on the back, if you want to take another guess. It's a very easy way to tell which one is real Apple brand and which one is not Apple brand. And that's right there at the top. The Apple brand will actually say the size there. So this is the medium large strap, and then same situation, if you look on these top pieces, flip them around, and you have that same situation with the actual sizes of the bands right along the top. And then the Apple Watch version has 42 millimeter or 40 millimeter, and then this one right here, which is not the authentic one, does not have any markings on it at all. So that's a quick and easy way to tell which Apple Watch bands are authentic Apple and which ones are, third party, made in China, made in France, made inside your underpants. Yes, this is an Apple Watch Series 2. And again, I did what I did with a previous Apple Watch where I wanted to upgrade to the next version. So I got the newest version, very slightly used for a insanely low price because I was patient and I took my time looking for it. Is that it right there? Yeah, it is. You could tell because it's got the red. So this is the Apple Watch Series 2. Now I picked up an Apple Watch Series 3, very, very lightly used, basically new, just open box. And the price I paid for the Series 3 was just a little bit more than I paid for the Series 2. And then I sold my Series 2 for just about the same amount that I paid for the Series 3. So that's an easy way to upgrade your used devices, whether it's a tablet, an Apple Watch, an iPhone, an Xbox, whatever it is. Sell your old one to pay for the new one. So this is the Series 2. That means it has GPS, Wi-Fi, extra battery life, all that cool stuff. This is the stainless steel version, and I prefer the stainless steel version. This is pretty much the premium one, besides the version that costs like $10,000. Stainless steel is the premium one. Now for this whole bundle, how much do you think I sold it for? Give you a second to guess. I sold this whole bundle for $200. The starting bid was $190 and the shipping cost was $10. So $200, and I actually picked up the Apple Watch Series 3, so I upgraded my device for just about $250. Now, when I got the Apple Watch Series 3, it came with these extra bands. I don't need them. It came with the charger still in the factory wrap, came with the magnetic charger still in the factory wrap. So I kept my used chargers, and then I bundled these still wrapped ones with the one that I'm reselling to make my money back. So that's another easy way to boost the price of the product that you're selling. Had an extra lightning cable and charger, which I bundled in over here. I don't need them. I have too many of these, so I bundled those in there. Extra cleaning cloth, bundled that in there as well. And then these are the Apple Watch bands. This was a quick and easy sell. Apple Watches are always popular. And if you have a premium stainless steel version, that's obviously going to sell for more than the much more common and cheaper priced aluminum models. But these stainless steel models, since they are more expensive, but from photographs it's hard to tell that it's the stainless steel model, these aren't very easy to sell for a lot higher than the aluminum watches because people just assume they're all aluminum. Not very many people know that the stainless steel model even exists, but man, I just love that stainless steel. I love that shine. Looks so clean, looks like an actual watch and not just, a smartwatch on your wrist. So there we go, another Apple Watch sold on eBay.